Hey folks, Shaw here with Royal Tiger Imports, and today I'm here to show you all another unboxing video. We recently just got in a batch of M1 Carbines out of Europe this time instead of out of Ethiopia, and we're going through and processing them right now. So we've got a handful of manufacturers here, not every single manufacturer, but most. We have Underwood, Postal Meter, Inland, IBM, more of the more common ones that you would see. No Rockolas this time and no Irwin Pedersen, but just about everything else. So while we're at it, let's come take a closer look and see one of the boxes that we just got in. So as you can see, they come in from Europe looking just like this. They're nice and tightly packed in these cardboard boxes. And let's just pull one out and take a look. So as we're going through, we are checking for functionality and overall, condition, manufacturer, etc. This one in particular is pretty representative of what they look like when they come in. The metal condition is pretty great, especially compared to some of the Ethiopian guns that you've seen where they face a lot more surface wear on both the wood and especially the metal near the front. These are not like that. These retain a lot of their original finish. These are in great shape. This is a Marlin barrel on a, let's see, that is a Saginaw M1 carbine. It's in a later style M2 stock with the 4-rivet handguard and otherwise has pretty much all the late features on this one. It's worth noting in this batch, they are pretty much almost all later feature guns. So they have the bayonet lugs and other later features associated with that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one here as well. This one is an Underwood. Again, some of the later features, but the metal quality is pretty great. It's got wear, of course. These are old guns. These are all World War II manufactured guns, like any of the M1 carbines. That being said, they are in pretty good shape overall. That particular one has a Underwood 3-44 dated barrel. That is in not too bad of condition. And let's get a look at another one right here that we've got handy. That one is a Underwood with a 10-42 barrel, so a fairly early barrel date on that one. And it's worth noting that particular one is in an M1 stock. So you can see the M1 is the smaller, flatter, a little bit more squared off profile compared to the M2s where they have that pot belly stock to them. And finally, let's get one more look at another one a little bit farther down here. That one is a, let's see, I believe that is another Underwood, funny enough. I've also seen some Postal Meters in this little batch as we're going through here. And again, really the condition is quite nice. As you've seen out of Ethiopia, again, the condition of those guns is a little bit more worn. These are not like that. They do have surface wear. They are used guns, of course. But that being said, these were well stored in Europe. They saw some use, but not extreme use. And they are just great shooting guns. Again, these M1 carbines, I love shooting them. Plenty of people love shooting them. They're just a nice soft shooting gun. You can get the 15 or the 30 round magazines. And it's worth noting that we also offer plenty of the accessories. So you can get slings, mag pouches, other mags, you name it. We've got a little bit of everything for these, including of course the M1 carbines themselves. So that's about all right now. It's a little bit of a shorter video. Just wanted to get something out there and show you what we're working with here. Thanks again for watching. God bless.